Hello Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is a new moon and Taurus reading for Sun, Moon and Rising in Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, this is happening in your 12th house. Okay, so this new moon could be all about your spiritual evolution. Okay, you're taking care of yourself and healing the past. If you have gone through a recent negative experience in your life, okay, could be a breakup, could be a health issue, or could be about a loss of loved ones, or whatever it is. Okay, something that is likely to be a center of attention during this period for you. Okay, Gemini. Okay, you could be trying to be spiritually active right now. You could be following, you could start doing meditation, yoga, or you could do something for your mental health right now. Okay, if you're having some sleepless nights or anxiety going through right now, okay, Gemini, you could be doing something that's related to your 12th house. So 12th house is house of just rest and rejuvenation. Okay, healing yourself. Okay, trying to take a break and analyze, reflect on things, what's life, how, where and where you're going through life right now. Okay, with Lord Node and Gemini, you could be little bit overworking, over pushing yourselves. Okay, so if you have been doing that, try to take a break right now. And this is an awesome new moon in Taurus for you, Gemini. Okay, you could be getting something significant. Okay, Eight of Cups is the card that fell here. Okay, but I was not meditating for you, Gemini, so I'm not taking the card right now. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna pull a spread for you. Okay, a 5-card spread for you for new moon and Taurus. The first will be the significator, the obstacle, the foundation, the past, the crowning, and the future. Okay, I'm using the Hanson Roberts tarot deck here. Okay, it's a mini deck. And let's see, there's no reversals in this deck. Okay, so let's pull the energy for Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising and Taurus for the new moon and Taurus energy. Okay, the significator. Wow, the 10 of Swords is the significator for you. Okay, 10 of Swords is the significator. Okay, I think that definitely you could be going through something negative right now, Geminis. Okay, what is the obstacle here? The obstacle is the 6 of Cups. Wow, beautiful energy is the obstacle for you. Okay, dealing with an ex, someone from your childhood, or this could be about with your children, memories, could be even memories here. You feel betrayed by someone from your childhood. You're going back to something here. So let's see. The foundation is the 6 of Rods. Beautiful card. 6 of Rods is victory card. Maybe someone feels victorious over you, or you feel victorious over something here. What's the past here? You know what I heard? If you had a long situation from childhood, a disease or something that was hindering you for a long time, finally you're trying to win this battle. Okay, could be with a childhood issue. Okay, let's see. What's the past energy here? 6 of Pentacles. Lots of 6 cards for you here. I think you have all the 3 6. Okay, there's one more 6 that is not here. 6 of Swords is not here. Okay, but 6 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups and 6 of Rods here. Okay, lots of 6s. So 666 could be significant for you. Okay, for me 666 is a devil number. Okay, could be about something negative, or something that was blocking you or trying to control you for a long time is coming to an end. That's what I'm getting here. Wow, the Fool is the crowning. Yeah, you're taking control of your life, Gemini. You're trying to start new. Okay, definitely with lots of planets coming into Gemini right now, you will be starting new. Definitely you have the strength. Beautiful. I think the outcome with 2 major arcanas here, the Fool and the Strength here for you, Gemini. And the overall energy is the Emperor. Beautiful energy. Okay, you could be taking control. See, there's Queen of Swords here. Okay, Gemini energy. Definitely you're trying to take control of your life, control of yourselves. If there was something, especially if you had issues with your baby daddy. Okay, definitely if there was a betrayal here with regards to your children, childhood, or someone, could be a husband, could be with your spouse, or someone could be even, this could be even with the boss. I don't think it's with the boss here. I think it's with the father of your child. Okay, you could be going through some difficult separation here, and maybe there was ego battles here. You're trying to overcome all this. You finally get the strength to move on and start new, Gemini. Definitely with the Venus and Sun that is trying to enter into Gemini within 10 days time. I think you're trying to overcome something that was painful. Could have been with children, with child support. Okay, if you're going through the Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups and the Six of Wands here, there could have been child support issues. Okay, you wanted to keep the custody of the child, and if there was some kind of battle with the spouse, with the father of the child, you're trying to finally understand that energy and move on. And if you had father issues, okay, if you had some kind of energy from your father, okay, and if you've lost your father, I'm sorry, okay, but if you had some issues with your father right now, if you found that your father was not there for you right now, you could work on those issues during this 12th house new moon. Okay, you could be working on this father issues, and you could be gaining strength to start new. And if you had men issues, okay, because of your father wound, okay, you could be trying to gain control over it, and you could be getting help. Okay, Six of Pentacles could also mean charity help, okay, from someone, from you could be with your siblings, and you're trying to be stronger right now, stronger, and also have a different perspective on life right now. Okay, so let's see what's the Ten of Swords here. I'm gonna use the Everyday Tarot to clarify. So before that, I'm gonna pull one energy card for you from this energy oracle deck. Okay, so let's find out what's the energy, overall energy for you in new moon in Taurus. I think this card jumped out, so I'm gonna take this card. Storm warning in reverse. Okay, storm warning in reverse. Beautiful. I think if there was a lot of pressure for you, especially with regards to someone significant in your life, a male figure, I think the storm is finally ending. Okay, if you had a battle with the Ten of Swords here, I think this is the end. I think you're not gonna go back to this person. You're not gonna go fight with your father of the child anymore for child support or for anything. Okay, you're done with this. Okay, maybe if you made some concrete plans, you're moving on. Okay, good energy for you, Gemini. Very good energy for you. I like the outcome actually with the two major arcanas here. I like the outcome really good. So let's see what's the Ten of Swords here. Why is the Ten of Swords here? Ten of Swords. The Hanged Man. Yeah, I think this could have been a long thing with your past person. Maybe you always had the thought that this person was trying to help you out, or this person could be there for you, but they did not. Okay, and if you were trying to save your marriage, save your relationship with this person for the sake of the child, and if you have been going through a lot of change in perspectives and trying to look at the situation from a different perspective, you finally understood that it's not going to work out. Okay, it's not going to work out. This is the end of the road. There's some kind of betrayal, and you're trying to move on from this. Beautiful energy. Six of Cups. What's the Six of Cups here? The High Priestess. Yeah, could be with children. Two majors here. Okay, the High Priestess could be something regarding to children, child, could be a secret child here, or there could be something that came out to light recently about this child situation. Okay, maybe this person was not ready to support your child. Okay, so let's see the Six of Rods. Other two cards fell for me. The King of Swords reversed and the Temperance. Okay, so the Temperance and the Six of Rods here, King of Swords. Maybe this person could be egotistic. Okay, and they could be cutting out of your life. Okay, Gemini, if it's you, King of Rods is Gemini also for me, or you could be dealing with a Gemini, Aquarius, or a Libra here, Gemini. Okay, so this person maybe with the Temperance here, there needs to be something. A balance needs to be restored here in this relationship. Maybe you are going with a lot of continuous battle here. Maybe this person betrayed you. This person could be your past, or this person was not ready to reveal their childhood issues to you. Six of Pentacles. Nine of Swords reversed. Yeah, you could have had sleepless nights. Definitely, I told you in the beginning itself. If you were going through something negative, sleepless nights, anxiety, or pressure of doing something because of other people, I think you were going through a tough time, Gemini, and you're trying to move on. The Fool card, beautiful energy that's crowning here. Let's see, why are you in the Fool energy? The Fool energy. Queen of Cups. Okay, Queen of Cups with the Fool. Okay, you're trying to gain control of yourself emotionally. Okay, and you're trying to move on. Okay, you're trying to move on to a stable situation where you're emotionally grounded, and also where you have a lot of love. Okay, and if you are a Gemini male, you could be starting new. You could be breaking up with someone, with your child, child's mom, and you could be moving on to a new person with the Queen of Cups here, with the Fool card here. or you could be falling in love with someone here new. Okay, Gemini. So let's see. What's the strength card here? What's the strength card here? Page of Wands. Wow, beautiful. Okay. You could be, I have the Fool again here for you. Okay. So definitely you're trying to start new. If you have had a recent divorce, or if you have recently separated from your father of the child or the mother of the child, and you're trying to move on, Gemini, finally you're taking control of yourselves. You're ready to move on to a new person. Okay. I don't know why I'm feeling this Queen of Cups could be a new person. Okay. And the Page of Wands here with the Strength card could be a Leo, or this could be a lot of passion. Okay, maybe you were in a loveless marriage just for the child, or if you were going through, yeah, if you were going through some kind of energy with the Hanged Man, High Priestess, and the Temperance could be a Pisces. This Queen of Cups could be a Pisces, a Gemini. Okay, okay. And for Gemini women, if you are being the mother of the child, and your person is moving to another person, that person could be the Queen of Cups. Okay, this person could be the one that they are trying to move on towards you, and they are trying to move away from you. Okay, and the King of Swords reverse, Gemini men, if you are trying to move away from this from another person here, okay, you're successfully getting out of someone that you had a child with, could be a past person, and you're trying to settle down the relationship. Maybe this was an imbalanced relationship where one person was giving too much to another person, and you're settling the scales and you're trying to move on to another person here. Okay, I think the ending energy for the new moon and Taurus is beautiful. Okay, for Gemini, okay, you're finally healing from a relationship that broke you, that could have been a little more nightmarish for you, and if there was definitely there's a betrayal, and the betrayal could be the secret too. Maybe this person, this Queen of Cups could be a childhood person. This person could be someone from your partner's childhood that entered into their life, and now they're trying to move on to this person, and they're leaving you out in the cold. Or this could be vice versa also, Gemini. You're trying to move towards a new love, and your partner is trying to hold you back, and finally you're settling the score here and moving on. Okay, I don't know why with the Strength card and the Page of Wands, finally someone has the courage to move on and fight back, take control of their life. With the Emperor here, I think this is a beautiful energy for you. Okay, Emperor, Strength, and the Page of Wands is definitely someone trying to take control of their life and move on. I hope this reading resonated with you, Gemini. Thank you.